Hey, this is Mark Leffler. I thought I'd take y'all through a typical Saturday at Sparkomatic, and we can kind of. Oops, a second ago. There we go. Um, Take you through a typical Saturday at Sparkomatic, and turn it up here. But here's the kids. We're exploring ideas for our robot, and they're drawing and building, and here we go. I'll let them take away here in just a second.
So y'all got your drawings going? Are y'all talking about it?
This is my the 40 way tall place right here. This is my school. Crib place right here. I was gonna put my bedroom, but
That's cool, man. What do you got going over here? Sure. Yep, you showed me that one.
I got underwheels on both sides. The team number on one side and the latch on the same side. The box rooms on a different side. And battery, motor, and the part that hold the phone in the middle.
I got a head and a neck and the grid and this box, and it was thing gonna go under then this right here gonna connect to the middle, and that's the plate is gonna be turned that way, and it's gonna go under it. So right now we all have.
And that's Angel. She does a great job of presenting to the kids and mentoring.
All definitely want to have. Is that a yes? Everybody wants 6
All right, so that's kind of a look at Sparkomatic and an interesting way to show Sparkcast.